The Clarke family is marketed as an online clothing and lifestyle brand offering fashionable apparel at attractive prices. The website features polished product photos and frequent discounts. But the real question is, what doesn't the marketing tell you? Now, to be fair, many online clothing stores legitimately offer stylish products at competitive prices. A family-themed brand isn't automatically more or less trustworthy than any other retailer. What it does well: stylish clothing selection. The store offers a variety of casual fashion and everyday wardrobe essentials. Attractive pricing. Frequent promotions and discounts can make many products appear to be good value. Where the hype falls apart, the branding can create assumptions. A family-oriented name and story don't necessarily tell you where the business operates or how it sources its products. Product quality may vary. The materials, stitching, and fit may not always match the expectations created by the promotional photos. Shipping and returns deserve attention. Before ordering, review the delivery times, return policy, and any return shipping costs. So, should you buy from the Clarke family? Short answer: maybe, but do your research first. If you like the clothing and understand the store's policies, it may be worth considering. But don't rely solely on the brand story or marketing when making your decision. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more videos.